How to turn on dark mode on Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook Lite. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down to the settings and privacy section, and from there you will see the dark mode option with a toggle next to it that's turned off. So in order for you to enable the dark mode on Facebook Lite, all what you need to do is click on that toggle to turn it on, and by doing that the dark mode will be activated on your Facebook Lite app. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable and activate the dark mode on the Facebook Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.